Welcome to Classroom to Clinic, a free package of accredited modules curated in partnership with clinical experts designed for your use virtually or in person for grand rounds, small group learning sessions, large audience settings, and more. Classroom to Clinic allows you to build tailored CME-accredited meetings in minutes. Browse a unique collection of expert-led modules which provide globally relevant education, along with localized versions tailored to the healthcare systems within specific regions. It takes less than 60 seconds to register and opens a wealth of freely available expert-led content. Sign in to explore the content, select the activities you require, and build your own workshop. Everything you need to confidently facilitate effective education is provided. From learning objectives, session resources, key learning points and references, to instructions for running the workshop, saving you a considerable amount of time. As you review the learning activities and select those to include in your workshop, you'll notice the duration of the workshop changes, which means you can build a session to suit the time you have available. You will also see the number of CME credits that attendees will earn by participating. Invitations can be sent directly from the Classroom to Clinic platform to your own contacts, and includes a link to the 3-minute pre-activity assessment for participants to complete. This assessment gives you insight into the knowledge gaps of your audience and which key learning needs to focus on. All mandatory pre-activity information and post-activity assessment required for accreditation and learning measurement is automatically included. Workshops you create are saved in your profile and can be delivered again to other colleagues across the healthcare setting. So, look at Classroom to Clinic today and discover for yourself just how simple, convenient and personalized your next CME accredited workshop can be.